Today I'm going to teach you how to remove gaps between column containers in Elementor. This is particularly useful when you want your columns to sit flush against each other without any spacing, creating a seamless unified design across your page layout. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section in the left-hand menu and click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages on your website. From here, locate the specific page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor interface where you can make all your design adjustments. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll need to find the columns container you want to customize. Look for the 6-dotted icon, which represents the container handle. This icon typically appears when you hover over the container section. Click on this 6-dotted icon to select the container. When you do this, a settings panel will appear on the left side of your screen, giving you access to all the customization options for that particular container. Now scroll down through the settings panel until you find the gap settings. This is where Elementor controls the spacing between your columns and rows. You'll see two options here, column gap and row gap. By default, these are often set to around 20 pixels, which creates visible spacing between your columns. This spacing can sometimes interrupt the visual flow you're trying to achieve, especially if you want elements to connect seamlessly. To remove the gaps completely, set both the column gap and row gap to 0. Simply click on each field and type in 0, or use the slider to drag the value down to 0. As soon as you make these changes, you'll notice the gaps between your columns disappear instantly in the preview. Your columns will now sit directly next to each other with no space in between, creating that clean, continuous look you're after. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the gaps between column containers in Elementor, giving your page a more polished and cohesive appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.